On the opportunity record, hit drop-down to create a new quote request. Fill in quote request name, select currency, and type of quote request to save. Also, fill in description for quote request. Change the status to in progress and save. Now, hit PSC Quote drop-down to create a new quote record. Hit Save to create a quote record. For bottom-up quoting, find Scope and Assumptions Related List to define scopes and calculate Advance ROM, blended rate. Add scope from library, curated by SMEs. Apply Rate Blend from Staffing Rules. Hit Apply and find Total Contract Value/ROM. You can add or modify scopes and LOE just like a spreadsheet here. Hit Refresh on Capacity Needed box to find the capacity needed based on scopes and for guided selling in building timelines. Let's add a new timeline now. We define a timeline for 10 weeks starting from Monday, 1st June. Timeline view with details and scroll. Add a related list to add resources, hours, discounts, and rates. Add resource and take guidance from capacity needed during scoping exercise. See how it looks after we added all roles and hours, etc.? Let's go back to quote request after quote finalize. Next, we have to send the SOW/quote for review to customer. Hit Create Signature Requests, powered by DRTE. Select the document that you want to generate and send to the customer. You can modify the document on the fly for any special terms specific to customer. Ensure that signature merge fields are present. Select the contact and the correct signature merge field context and hit Proceed. Let's not hit Next and close the window here and skip Next process here. On the Quote Request record page, refresh the e-signature workflow window. Now hit Begin Workflow. The flow will send predefined templated email to the contact with the link to signing page for the SOW. As the customer signs the SOW successfully, signature workflow will show the correct status. Next, change the status to Quote Approved. After the quote is approved, we need to sync the approved quote/primary quote to opportunity. After the sync is done, let's go to Opportunity. Opportunity is successfully synced. See the header field values. And Products lists in Opportunity. Now, let's create resource requests for our workforce management group to assign. Hit Create Resource Requests. Select Quote Request, the one that is approved. Hit Create and Update Resource Requests. Consulting Ops will fill the total hours to assign based on requested hours and the proposed employee to assign. Change the status to Ready to Staff. After resources are assigned, it's time to create project and assignments. Go back to Opportunity. Hit Create Assignments. Define the project name and tentative start and end dates. And create assignments for ready-to-staff resource requests. Notice the primary project to opportunity is created. On the project record, see the critical metrics for a professional services companies, especially to capture the variances between budget and consumptions. After a considerable time, we need to send NPS/CSAT, We'll do that powered by F360 solution. Scroll to Surveys related list on project. Add a survey for this project from Survey Library. Select and add NPS Survey. Set Allow Guests to Access so that customer is able to access the survey and fill it. Create survey invitation, one or many. Simply assign contact and hit Save. Go to the survey invitation record. Hit Send Email to Contact. Customer Contact finds the email and hits the link to open the survey. Customer fills the NPS survey and submits it.